If you want to be a successful commercial entertainer, click on the link below. Dooney's Coaching Secrets will help you. And my individual one-on-one sessions start at only $300 and it's a money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy with it, I'll give you your money back. This is a 2-balloon flower. It was taught to me by a guy that I trained named Tony Reed. I don't know where he learned it, but it's pretty darn cool. Okay. So first thing I'll do is I'll make the stem, all right? This is a green balloon. It's got about four fingers at the end, all right? That's how long it is. I make a stem, and I just basically do 3 bend ties together. It's literally the sword that I used to use when I was first starting. I would make that as a hilt. I would make this as a sword. It's fast, it's easy, right? You can either go all the way to the end like I did this one, or you can do short, or you can do a poodle tail at the end, either one, all right? That's going to be my stem. Now I'm going to show you kind of a fun way to make the actual flower. Now this one you want more space up here, quite a bit more. Like a 6th finger, a 4th finger, 5th finger. But the thing of it is, you can't have it be tight. It's got to be really loose for this. So I'm going to do what Tony calls the balloon hug. You bring it close to your body and you squeeze it. So now it's loose all the way, right? Now it's not stiff and tight. All right? I'm going to find about where the middle is and twist it once in the middle. And then I'm going to tie these 2 ends together. All right, so there's no extra little bubbles up here. It's just tied. I always take a minute to stop and go, hello, are you having a good time? Why not? We're having fun. Okay, here's the key. This will pop. You've got to be very, very careful about pulling the balloons apart as you twist. So I divide it into thirds. Squeeze. I'm going to twist the middle section like that a few times. All right? Then I fold it, right folds on the left folds on the right. Now I didn't make it exactly right, but it's close. All right, let me show you that again. Right folds on the left folds on the right. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to line up all of the folds, all of the bends. I'm going to take these 2 side to side, push them together, and grab them in one hand. Now I pull it apart and twist it around. And when I say pull it apart, what I mean is I'm pulling this way as I twist. And that's how you get a 6-petal flower quickly. All right, make a little ball at the end of my stem. Push that into the twist, just like that, and you're done. Okay? So in that much time, you've got a really powerful 2-balloon sculpture.